5, 4, command engine start. 2, 1, ignition.
The vast expanse of the West Texas desert stretched out under a crystal-clear sky, a serene and timeless landscape that had witnessed countless dreams take flight. A lone figure stood silhouetted against the rising sun, a symbol of hope and determination. Kelly Girardi, her heart pounding with anticipation, adjusted her helmet. The weight of the moment pressed down on her, but she welcomed it with a steady resolve. Today was no ordinary day. Today she would become the 100th woman to journey into space, a milestone that carried immense significance. She took a deep breath, savoring the moment. The air was crisp and filled with the scent of possibility. Her gaze swept over the sleek, powerful form of the New Shepard rocket that would carry her on this historic flight. It was a marvel of engineering, a vessel of dreams. It stood ready, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of the stars. Every bolt and panel told a story of innovation and perseverance. Kelly wasn't just a passenger on this flight. She was an integral part of the mission, bringing her expertise and passion to the forefront. She was a scientist, an explorer, and a passionate advocate for STEM education. Her work inspired many, and today she would take that inspiration to new heights. Her mission went beyond the boundary of Earth's atmosphere. It was a journey of discovery, pushing the limits of human knowledge and capability. She carried with her the hopes and dreams of countless young people, especially young women, who dared to reach for the stars. Their aspirations fueled her resolve. As she climbed into the capsule, she knew that her journey was not just her own. It was a collective endeavor, a testament to the power of shared dreams. It was a shared experience, a giant leap for womankind. The support of her team and the encouragement of countless others echoed in her heart. The countdown echoed in her ears, each number bringing her closer to the realization of a lifelong dream. With every second, the anticipation grew, and the world held its breath. The New Shepard rocket was a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of space exploration. Named after Alan Shepard, the first American in space, this rocket carried forward his legacy of pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It represented the spirit of innovation and exploration, embodying the dreams of countless engineers and scientists who worked tirelessly to bring it to life. Unlike traditional rockets that required massive infrastructure and complex logistics, New Shepard was designed with a different vision in mind. New Shepard was designed for reusability, a revolutionary concept that aimed to reduce the cost of space travel significantly. This innovative approach to space travel promised to make space more accessible and affordable, opening up new frontiers for scientific research and human exploration. It was a game changer, offering unprecedented opportunities for experiments and missions that could transform our understanding of the universe. Kelly felt a surge of adrenaline as the engines roared to life, their power reverberating through her very core, a sensation unlike any other. The sheer force of the engines was overwhelming, their power reverberating through her very core. The earth trembled beneath them, and the sound was deafening as the rocket ascended into the clear blue sky, leaving behind a trail of smoke and fire. She was pressed back into her seat, the force of acceleration pinning her to the back of her chair, making it hard to move or even breathe. She watched as the ground receded below, buildings shrinking into insignificance as they climbed higher and higher, the landscape transforming into a patchwork quilt of colors. The sky turned from a brilliant blue to a deep, almost unnatural black, a stark reminder of the vastness of space. She was on her way to space, embarking on a journey that few had ever experienced, a journey that would change her forever. The days leading up to the launch were a whirlwind of activity. Kelly and her fellow astronauts were sequestered in Astronaut Village, a collection of futuristic-looking Airstream trailers nestled amidst the Texas scrubland. It was a surreal experience, a strange mix of the ordinary and the extraordinary. They spent their days training, learning the intricacies of the spacecraft, and preparing themselves mentally and physically for the challenges ahead. The training was rigorous, designed to push them to their limits and prepare them for any eventuality. Kelly spent hours in the capsule simulator, familiarizing herself with every switch, every gauge, every aspect of the spacecraft that would be her home for this brief but momentous journey. She practiced emergency procedures until they became second nature, her movements honed by repetition and the weight of responsibility. The flight suit fitting was another milestone, a tangible reminder that her dream was about to become a reality. Kelly's mission was not just about personal accomplishment, it was about pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. She carried with her a series of experiments designed to study the effects of microgravity on plant growth. These experiments, using specially designed containers filled with fast-growing plants, could provide valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities of growing food in space. In addition to the plant experiments, Kelly wore a biomonitor throughout the flight, meticulously tracking her vital signs, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen saturation, as her body adapted to the extreme environment of space. This data would be invaluable to researchers studying the physiological effects of space travel, paving the way for longer and more ambitious missions in the future. Every experiment, every data point collected, was a step forward in humanity's understanding of the universe and our place within it. Amidst the technical preparations and scientific objectives, there were moments of profound human emotion that often went unnoticed. Seeing her finished flight suit emblazoned with the mission patch and her name brought a lump to Kelly's throat. It was more than just a uniform, it was a testament to her journey. It was a symbol of her achievement, a tangible representation of years of hard work, dedication, and unwavering belief in herself. Each stitch in the suit seemed to tell a story of perseverance and dreams realized. But it was the letters from her family that truly touched her heart. These letters were filled with words of encouragement, love and hope, serving as a bridge between her and her loved ones. In the solitude of her Airstream trailer, she read and reread those letters, each word imbued with love, pride, and a tinge of apprehension. The trailer became a sanctuary, where she could connect with her family despite the physical distance. They were a reminder of the people who stood behind her, who had supported her dreams and encouraged her to reach for the stars. Their unwavering support was the foundation upon which her aspirations were built. She carried a small token with her on the flight, her father's college ring. This ring was more than just a piece of jewelry. It was a cherished family heirloom. It was a symbol of his own journey, his perseverance in the face of adversity, and a reminder of the sacrifices made by previous generations that had paved the way for her own extraordinary adventure. This ring connected her past to her present, and it would accompany her into the future, a constant reminder of where she came from and the legacy she carried forward. Section 6, Wishes Among the Stars. Kelly's mission had captured the imagination of people around the world, especially young people. Through her STARS project, she had raised $30,000 for children in foster care in Virginia, a cause close to her heart. She wanted to use her platform to inspire these children, to show them that anything is possible if you dare to dream big and work hard to achieve your goals. Before the launch, Kelly had asked children to send her their wishes for the future, their hopes and dreams for themselves and for the world. She received thousands of responses, each one a testament to the power of hope and the boundless potential of the human spirit. She carried these wishes with her on a flash drive, a digital time capsule filled with the dreams of a new generation, ready to be launched into the cosmos. Section 7, Upward Bound. The moment of truth arrived. Strapped into her seat, the roar of the engines vibrating through the spacecraft, Kelly closed her eyes and took a deep breath. The countdown echoed in the capsule, each number a hammer blow to her heart. Then, with a blinding flash and a deafening roar, the New Shepard rocket shot skyward. The force of the acceleration pressed her back into her seat, her body feeling heavier and heavier as they climbed higher and higher. The sky outside the window turned from blue to black, the curvature of the Earth becoming visible as they reached the edge of the atmosphere. Weightlessness descended upon her, a feeling of utter freedom and exhilaration. She unbuckled her harness and floated effortlessly in the cabin, her heart soaring with joy and wonder. Section 8. The Overview Effect. Looking out of the capsule window, Kelly was greeted by a sight that few humans have ever witnessed firsthand. The Earth hung suspended below, a swirling tapestry of blue and green white clouds swirling over continents outlined in breathtaking detail. The vastness of space stretched out before her, an endless expanse of black velvet sprinkled with the glittering diamonds of distant stars. It was an awe-inspiring, humbling experience that shifted her perspective, filling her with a profound sense of connection to the planet and to all of humanity. This was the overview effect, a cognitive shift reported by many astronauts, a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and the fragility of our planet. It was a moment she would carry with her forever, a reminder of the preciousness of life and the importance of protecting our pale blue dot. Section 9, Touchdown and Legacy. The descent back to Earth was a bittersweet experience. The exhilarating rush of weightlessness gave way to the familiar tug of gravity as the capsule plummeted through the atmosphere. The desert landscape rushed towards them, growing larger and larger as they descended. Then with a gentle jolt, they touched down, back on terra firma. Kelly emerged from the capsule, her face flushed with excitement and her heart filled with gratitude. She had touched the stars, had seen our planet from a perspective few humans ever get to experience. But her journey was far from over. She carried with her the memories of the overview effect, the data from her experiments, and the dreams of a generation. She was determined to use her experience to inspire others, to advocate for STEM education, and to continue pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Her journey to the stars was just the beginning.